Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tech fix. Today I will show you exactly how to claim the Jynxzi charm in 2025, and yes, this actually works. Let's dive right in. First, you must subscribe to Jynxzi on Twitch. Head over to his channel and make sure your subscription is active. If you have not already, click that subscribe button. This step is essential. You cannot claim the charm without an active sub. Once you're subscribed, the next step is to link your Ubisoft account to Twitch. Here's how to do it. Open Twitch, click your profile icon in the top right. Then go to the settings and click on the connections tab. Now scroll down until you find Ubisoft in the list. Click connect, log into your Ubisoft account and follow the steps. Done. Great. Now your accounts are linked and you're eligible for the drop. Next, let's check the Twitch drops inventory. Go back to your Twitch profile icon, click on drops and rewards, and look for the Jynxzi charm in the list. If it's there, awesome. Just hit the claim button and you're all set. The charm will now be unlocked in your Rainbow 6 Siege inventory. And that's it. A quick replay. Subscribe to Jynxzi on Twitch. Link Ubisoft and Twitch accounts. Claim the charm for your dogs or page. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll catch you in the next one as always.